My name's Jason Bobrook. I'm the co-owner of Real Steel Group in Queanbeyan. We've built this beautiful 911, 78 911 SC over the last many years. So the original concept for this car was to maintain the beautiful original lines of the 911, but enhance them and bring the car into the modern era. We've sort of had a lot of really good feedback from the customer. He's been quite involved in the process. So originally it's a 3 litre and it's been increased in capacity to 3.5 litre, bored and stroked. Well, bigger pistons and barrels. It's had a twin plug conversion, so yeah, it's running PMOs. Got rid of the original fuel injection, running PMOs, which is a modern alternative to the Weber. Quite popular on these 911s. You know, it's a custom exhaust system. It's running a 915 gearbox still. It's all been rebuilt, toughened up where it needs to be. The suspension components are predominantly, we've used aftermarket suppliers out of the States. Elephant Racing supplied a lot of the components. Makes it more adjustable. You know, things like camber, caster and all that sort of thing that normally aren't adjustable in the back. It's all adjustable now. Wheels are something that we've actually designed and machined in-house in our own shop. So, you know, basically the basis of the wheel is the original 911 Fuchs shape, and then we've just brought it in the modern era. Everything is detailed within an inch of its life, even the parts that aren't visible. So, you know, you look inside the luggage compartment, most of it's not visible anymore because we've made some nice trims and covers. But underneath all those trims and covers, everything is absolutely gorgeous. It's been, you know, fully pulled apart, reconditioned, rebuilt, repaired, replaced, whatever it takes.